In this video, I will show you how to pay with a voucher on Uber Eats. So to do this is pretty simple. What you want to do is just open up the Uber Eats app or website and click on the three lines in the top left, and from there head into the wallet section. Here you will find your balance, Uber balance, and your saved payment methods. Now what you want to do is just scroll down further until you see vouchers, and here click on add voucher and enter your voucher code. Then once you click add, it will be added to your Uber balance or your normal balance. From there you can just go and add whatever you want to your card, so for example this right here. And then from there just go to checkout. And now here what you want to do is under payment click edit. And if it's not turned on, just turn on Uber Cash, which means it will use the cash that you have in your Uber account. And then from there to pay for the rest, if the voucher doesn't pay for everything, you can select the other payment method that you want to use. So that's how you can pay with a voucher on Uber Eats. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.